This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Tarragona. 2705 Tarragona Way will immediately captivate you the moment you step inside. Welcome to this extraordinary single-family residence located in the desirable community of The Ridge. This meticulously designed Conrad floor plan is 3,381 square feet of interior living, featuring a bright and airy space with soaring 10-foot ceilings. This exquisite home weaves transitional style, warm casual living and sophistication with high-quality finishes and custom features. As you step inside the foyer, you will be drawn to the artistry of beautiful porcelain mosaic tile flooring which sets the stage for the rest of the home. You will find richly appointed interiors anchored by hardwood flooring throughout the main living areas. Form meets functionality in this 5-bedroom 4-bathroom, loft home. In the family room, bright oversized sliders beckon natural light to embrace the indoor-outdoor lifestyle. At the heart of the home rests a gourmet chef's kitchen featuring quartz countertops, arabesque tile backsplash, canopy hood, farmhouse sink, water purification system, 12 by 24 modern tile, and 42-inch cabinets finished with crown molding detail with above and below cabinet lighting, dovetail feature and stainless steel appliance package. The formal dining room is currently being utilized as a home office. The walls are trimmed with a chair rail and picture frame molding. The large picture window is accessorized with plantation shutters and 2 wall sconces. The primary suite is located on the second floor and is nearly 430 square feet. It features an accent wall and comes complete with 2 spacious walk-in closets. The spa-like bath is a paragon of serenity, showcasing a spacious frameless walk-in shower with a custom feature wall of beautiful tile, a soaking garden tub, dual vanities with undermount sinks and granite countertops. There are 3 additional expansive guest suites and 2 full bathrooms located on the second floor. The secondary bathrooms feature granite countertops, undermount sinks, and, for more information, review the details below or contact Tarragona at 954-593-8281.